and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft video. Since we've recently completed our Altamont Quarter Express passenger train, today's video is just going to be a quick showcase of the interior and exterior. So at this end, we have a Siemens SC44 Charger locomotive. And up here you can see all the different details on the top. And of course it has the giant vent on the side there that you can see through. Behind that, we have a Bombardier bi-level car, but this one's the cab car. You can see the horn on top there and the bell and the windows. And remember, if you need to know how to build any of the cars or locomotives for this train, make sure you check out my Altamont Quarter Express passenger train playlist. I'll have it linked in the description. Behind that, we have two more Bombardier bi-level coach cars. This one's not very long, so there's just 3 cars on it. On this end, we have an F40 Ph 3C locomotive. And this is what it looks like. We'll check out the front view real quick here. And we'll come up here so you can see it actually has the lettering on the front there. And here's all the top details. Then we'll go inside here and check out the interior. So we'll come in through this door. This is the cab. You can see we have a gauge up there, a little control stand with some levers for the engineer. And there's the seats. And we'll move on to the actual engine room here. So we come through this door and down these stairs. And here is the big prime mover of this locomotive. Then it's connected to a generator here. And behind that we have the head end power unit. So that's pretty much it for this first locomotive, and we'll move on, come outside the back door. Here's the back details of the locomotive. There's a ladder where you can climb up. We'll move into the actual train now. So this is the first bi-level coach car. You come in on a mid-deck, and there's an upper and lower floor. We'll go on the upper floor for this one. So come up these stairs, and it's just all seats, because this is a commuter train. And you can see with all those end rods, it's very well lit. And we come back down and there's a mid-deck on this side, which also has the door to allow us to move on. Now we're in the walkway between the cars here. And now we're in the second car. This is exactly the same as the first one, but we'll go to the lower deck for this. Down here we have our doors where the passengers would board. And same thing over on that other side there. Right here, we have a restroom. Over here, there's a bench. And this open space is for handicap seating. And then the rest is just all seats. That block wasn't supposed to be there. I don't know why it was there. Then there's seats down to this end. This end has a little space for you to store a bicycle. There's more doors on this end. And we'll move on. So coming up through the mid-deck, and out the door into this last car. This one is pretty much the same, except this is the cab car, so we have a cab on the other end. So we'll get over there. So as you can see, this mid-deck is slightly different. There's less seats, because if we come through this door, this is where the cab is. So we have an engineer and conductor seat, some windows, there's a computer screen up there, a lever for the engineer. So you'd be right here if you were driving the train from this cab car. But we have another locomotive, so we'll move on. This is the back of the SC44 Charger. If we come in this first compartment, we just have all kinds of equipment in here. This next compartment is the giant air filter here. And the SC44's distinctive S-shaped vents on the side that you can see through. Move on to the next compartment. Here's the prime mover, and they are actually painted red on these. Then one more compartment here. Right here we have a little bathroom and a bunch more air filtration equipment up here. And then these stairs take us up to the cab of this locomotive. So we have some seats, and this one's more modern with the desk control. We have some computer screens and a lever here. And that's pretty much it for this locomotive. And there you have it, folks. That was just a quick walkthrough of our Altamont Corridor Express passenger train. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.